Welcome to the world of scrap wood and metal art, where creativity meets sustainability. For beginners looking to craft profitable, small upcycle decor, a great project is creating rustic wall art. Using scrap wood pieces arranged in a geometric pattern, you can enhance the design with old metal objects like tools or hardware for added texture. Simply glue the elements together and consider painting or staining the wood to give it a polished finish. This unique, handmade art not only beautifies spaces, but also appeals to eco-conscious buyers, making it a perfect venture for those eager to explore their artistic side while earning some extra income. Creating scrap wood and metal art is an exciting and rewarding venture for beginners looking to tap into their creativity while engaging in upcycling. This process not only allows you to make beautiful decor items, but it also promotes sustainability, making it a fantastic way to contribute to environmental conservation. Utilizing discarded materials that might otherwise end up in landfills, you can transform these items into unique pieces of art that appeal to buyers interested in sustainable and handcrafted goods. As you embark on this journey, you'll discover that the only limits to your creations are your imagination and resourcefulness. One of the simplest projects you can start with is making rustic wall art. This project requires minimal tools and materials, making it perfect for beginners. Gather various scrap wood pieces, which you can often find in old pallets or leftover construction materials. Look for wood that has interesting textures or colors, as this will add depth to your piece. The first step is to cut the wood into various geometric shapes. You might choose squares, triangles, or even free-form designs depending on your aesthetic preference. Don't worry about achieving perfect symmetry. The beauty of rustic art lies in its imperfections. To add a touch of personality, incorporate metal scraps into your design. Old tools, nails, or hardware can provide unique textures and shapes that enhance the overall look of your wall art. As you arrange the wood pieces on a larger backing board, play around with the placement of the metal elements. This could mean embedding them into the wood, attaching them with screws or glue, or allowing them to hang loosely for a more organic feel. The combination of rustic wood and industrial metal can create striking contrasts that attract attention. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, it's time to secure everything in place. If you're using glue, choose one that is suitable for both wood and metal to ensure a strong bond. Alternatively, you can use small screws or nails to attach the pieces together, which adds to the handmade charm of your artwork. After everything is assembled, consider adding a coat of paint or stain to the wood. You might go for a natural finish to highlight the wood grain or opt for bold colors to make your art pop. This step not only enhances the visual appeal but also protects the wood, ensuring that your creation lasts. As you produce more pieces, think about diversifying your offerings. For example, garden decor stakes are another simple project that utilizes the same materials. Start with wooden dowels or scrap wood cut to various lengths. Attach fun metal elements at the top, like old gears or other decorative metal scraps, and paint the dowels to match. These stakes can serve as whimsical additions to gardens or potted plants, making them a hit at local artisan markets or online platforms. Table centerpieces are another avenue to explore. Using small wooden crates or boxes as your base, you can create functional decor items. Fill them with metal containers that can hold flowers, candles, or decorative pieces. This not only adds a stylish touch to dining or coffee tables, but also functions as a conversation starter. Highlighting their versatility for various occasions can boost sales, especially for events like weddings or parties. For those looking to expand their artistic range, consider creating hanging art pieces. Begin by selecting an interesting piece of scrap wood as your canvas. Decorate it with paint or wood-burning techniques that reflect your personal style. Then, use metal chains or wire to add dynamic movement, creating a mobile-like effect. These hanging pieces can bring life to indoor spaces or porches, appealing to customers looking for both art and functionality. As you venture into selling your creations, presentation is key. Consider how you will display your items, as an aesthetically pleasing presentation can enhance perceived value. High-quality photos are essential when marketing online. Natural lighting and clean backgrounds help showcase your art effectively. Additionally, think about how your items will be packaged. An attractive and eco-friendly packaging can make a good impression on buyers. Online platforms like Etsy, social media, and local craft fairs are excellent avenues to market your handcrafted items. Building an online presence is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Share the story behind your creations, focusing on the sustainable aspect of using upcycled materials. For potential buyers, knowing the narrative of an item's creation can increase its appeal. Consumers today appreciate unique, handmade products that offer a backstory and relevance. Pricing your products requires a balance between affordability and fair compensation for your time and efforts. Factor in the cost of materials, the time spent on crafting, and the uniqueness of your art when setting prices. Research similar items in the market to ensure your prices are competitive yet reflective of the quality and craftsmanship you provide. Finally, as you grow in your experience, continue to experiment and refine your techniques. Join online groups or local workshops to exchange ideas and inspiration with fellow artisans. Engaging in a community of like-minded creators can ignite new ideas and keep your passion alive. Through dedication, creativity, and a commitment to upcycling, you can transform scrap wood and metal into captivating art pieces that resonate with buyers and bring joy to your crafting journey. Reading scrap wood and metal art not only allows you to express your creativity, but also provides a sustainable way to enhance your living space or generate income. For beginners, starting with projects like rustic wall art or decorative garden stakes is a great introduction. By using discarded materials, you can craft unique pieces that not only beautify homes, but also appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to stay updated on more exciting